Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So in this video we will try to learn about the expectOne and also the expectNone functions, which are a part of the Angular HTTP testing controller API used for unit testing in the HTTP request. So these functions allow us to match the HTTP request based on a custom criteria by providing a predicate function, a function that returns true for a match and false otherwise. So let's try to see about this one. So first one which we will try to learn it is the expectOne method. So the expectOne method verifies that exactly one request matches the provided criteria. It throws an error if no request matches the criteria. More than one request matches the criteria. You can pass a predicate function also to expectOne to define custom logic for matching a request. So for example, let's say that you will be having a simple example. I will try to show you. It should match a request with a non-null body, let's assume. So that means it should match a request for this one which has a body. So now here I will try to make a call http client dot get of, so anything, any URL I will try to make it /API/data. So I am taking a call here, and what I will try to do, so I will send the value for this one. Okay, so here for post request you will send the value, and here you will be having key value, and I will subscribe to this one, subscribe. So I have subscribed to this one, and now what I would be trying to do it is, so now we have subscribed to this one. So let's try to test that. So here constant request is equal to http testing dot, so here we will be writing that expectOne request should be there, so that should be request, and it should have a predicate function request dot body is not equal to null. So we are passing the body right here, key value we are passing the body, so we are trying to check it, this one. And now here you can write request dot method to be post, okay, dot to be post request. So you can also check it like this, and also if you want to check it, you can also check that expect of request dot body. So you can take the body, and you need to you can check with an equal case, and that is nothing but key value. So we can check it with an equal case, that is nothing but key value. So like this you can do it. So now here what we are trying to do, so request body is not equal to null. It is a predicate function that matches any request within the body. If the predicate function matches more than one request or none at all, means then the error is thrown. If we try to see the request for this one, so here you will be able to see we should match a request with a non-null body, it is working fine. Now the next one is the expectNone, verifying no matches. The expectNone method verifies that no requests match the given criteria. If any request matches, it throws an error. So for this one what you can do it is, so here you can write scenario, it should assert anything, you can check it, that no mutation requests have been issued. So you can check it like this, and here you can write, so you will be calling http client dot, you can do /API/data dot subscribe, okay, and here you can check constant request is equal to http, okay, so http testing dot expectOne, that also should be /API/data. So we are checking it like this, and here you can also check http testing dot expectNone, and the request should be, okay, request you will be getting, and here request dot method you can check it not equal to get, you can check it like this, okay. Now here if you want you can write expect request dot method dot to be get, you can also write it like this, that's not an issue. So you can also write like this. Now if you try to check it, so this also works without any problem. So now here you will be see should assert that no mutation, so this also. So here we are trying to check expectNone, so we should have only the get request, other than get request should not be performed. So we are not trying to check within like this. So not equal to get means, so it is a predicate function that matches any request, that is not a get request. that test asserts that no non-get request, example post, put, delete, were issued. So now key points what we need to do it is predicate function. A custom function passed to the expectOne, expectNone determines if a request matches the specific criteria or not. The function receives a HTTP request object and returns true for a match. expectOne means verifies exactly one request matches the criteria here, and it throws an error if no request matches. So verifies no request matches the criteria for expectNone, throws an error if any request match here. Other than get request, if any request match means then it will throw an error. So that is the scenario. So now in the real world scenario, what I will try to show you is, so how you will try to do it in a real world scenario is, it should send only a get request and no other HTTP request. So you can check it like this. So here I can write it something like, so here you can call two things, that is nothing but HTTP client dot get of, let's say slash API slash items, we are trying to do it, and I am subscribing to this one. Okay, and I am subscribing to this one, and here I will try to make another request also, HTTP client dot post of slash API slash items. Okay, and here I am trying to check name item 1 or something like that, I can check it. Okay, item dot subscribe. So here I am trying to make two requests. So now we are making a two requests. So verify the get request. So here I can check it something like constant get request is equal to, so mock HTTP, sorry, not mock HTTP testing dot, so expectOne. So we are expecting only one, that is nothing but request. So which is request dot method is equal to get request, and also request dot URL is equal to slash API slash items. So we can check it like this. So now we got the request thing, and here you can check in such a way that expect the get request dot method to be get. So we can check it like this, and also we can check another one in such a way that, so mock HTTP testing dot expectNone request dot method is equal to put. So this none of the things should be verified. And now if you try to check it, so here you can so this one is not needed, and here what you can do it is, so here you can test in such a way that, so like this we can check this all the requests and all those things. So in this real time we will be doing. So this is how we will be using the expectOne scenario and also the expectNone scenario. So in this way we will be using this expectOne and the expectNone scenario. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.